Hello! Today we are making a dish originally called Kisir. It is similar to tabbouleh and it is a delicious salad, and I bet after one try you'll start making this regularly. Here's how to make it. Starting with our veggies, you'll need 4 to 5 leaves of lettuce, 3 stems of spring onions, 6 or so stems of cilantro, half of a lemon, 1 middle-sized tomato, and 1 cucumber. This is the main ingredient. 1 cup of fine bulgur. It's super easy to cook and high in fiber and protein. Next, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 tablespoon dried mint, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 tablespoon tomato paste, some black pepper, 2 teaspoon pomegranate molasses. And that's about it. We can move on to the next step, which is to briefly rinse bulgur out with the help of a strainer. This way bulgur will absorb some of the water and puff a little. When you're finished, set aside to let it rest until tomato paste is cooked. Yes, you heard it correctly. We are going to caramelize our tomato paste to develop a full flavor by cooking it evenly with olive oil. It needs only a few minutes over medium heat, and I use this large pan because I will also put bulgur in this pan. When the color of our tomato paste darkens, then we're going to add bulgur. After adding the washed bulgur in, stir until tomato paste evenly covers bulgur grains. They all should pick up that dark red color that comes from caramelized tomato paste. Then add in salt, cumin, dried mint, and black pepper. Briefly stir them into and take it off of heat. Set it aside and let it rest and cool. Meanwhile, start chopping veggies. For lettuce leaves, I suggest that I personally like it better that way, but it's all up to you, to your liking at this point. Also, I like my tomato and cucumber pieces a bit on the chunkier side. Look at these colors, isn't it beautiful? And squeeze half a lemon. Moving on, after chopping all vegetables, drizzle 2 tablespoons of pomegranate molasses over bulgur and mix it evenly as much as you can. Finally, add in all the chopped vegetables on top. And drizzle half a lemon juice. Once again, mix it well. Just like that, it's ready. Before belly, it's definitely a feast for eyes. Also, it's vegan friendly too, so if you try it and like it, please let us know in the comments. And thanks for watching. Please leave a like if you liked it, and comment down below what would you like to see us make in the next videos. Until then, subscribe and be a member of our club.